Have you ever wondered why some nights you sleep deeply, and other nights you have wild, emotional, unforgettable dreams? Science says the secret might be hiding in your room temperature. Today, we'll break down how your bedroom's temperature controls your sleep, your dreams, and even how your brain repairs itself. Let's get started. Number 1. Warm rooms equals more vivid dreams. When your room is warm, your body struggles to cool down, and this directly affects REM sleep, the stage where most dreaming happens. A warm environment keeps your brain more active, resulting in dreams that feel more intense, emotional, and sometimes completely strange. You're asleep, but your brain is still busy. That's why hot nights often come with dramatic or unusual dreams. Number 2. Cool rooms equals faster and deeper sleep. Now here's the interesting part. Sleeping in a cooler room helps your body enter deep sleep much faster. This is the stage where magic happens. Your body repairs tissues, your brain strengthens memory. Your energy levels reset, stress levels drop. A cooler temperature lowers your core body heat, sending your brain a strong signal that it's time to completely shut down and recharge. Number 3. The ideal temperature for perfect sleep. Experts agree the sweet spot for the best sleep is 60 to 67 degrees Fahrenheit, 16 to 19 degrees Celsius. Too warm? Your dreams become stronger, but your rest becomes weaker. You wake up tired, foggy, or unrefreshed. Too cold? You may struggle to fall asleep at all. Find your balance in the 16–19 degrees Celsius range for a deeper, healthier night's sleep. Number 4. So, what should you choose? If you want wild, vivid dreams, keep your room warmer. But if your goal is full body recovery, stronger memory, better mood, and real rest, then cooling your room is the smarter choice. Remember, your sleep isn't just about time. It's about temperature. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Biologic Health channel for more science-backed wellness insights. Your best nights start with the right environment, so sleep smart.